Hey, I want to show you how to create a fairly impressive workout program using nothing but the free version of ChatGPT and this very simple form that I have created, which is based on the same type of intake questions you might do when you join a gym or hire a fitness instructor. Now, all you do is you go to this, I'll have a link wherever we make the video, and you just go to the File, Make a Copy. Once you've made a copy, it's your own. Unless you share it with someone using the share button, it'll be your own. I won't see any of the information and no one else will unless you choose to share it. So make the copy and then you can start simply filling in the information right here in the middle. I put sample information here. So it'll ask for like personal details. So age and gender, put whatever you want to put right there. Height, weight, these are just typical questions you're asked when you start a fitness program. What are your fitness goals? Now, what you don't want to do is just copy and paste this, like, muscle gain. These are just to prompt you, right? What you want to do is write out full sentences. I would like to lose some weight. I'd like to be more lean. I've got an injury I'm rehabbing. Whatever it is, write it out in as much detail as possible. If you have a specific target weight, put that in here. I currently weigh 185. I'd like to weigh 150, whatever it is. Your timeline. I prefer no timelines personally. We should all just be being healthy all the time, every day, every week, the best that we can. However, if there's a timeline for a specific goal, then put that in here. I'd like to lose 20 pounds in the next 90 days, whatever it is, if you have a timeline. Next, assessing your current fitness level. Be specific. Again, entering, my current level of fitness is. Again, I wouldn't use simple words like I'm a beginner, I'm intermediate, I'm advanced. I'd put very specifics. Like I played college soccer, but I've had 2 children and I've been inactive for 10 years. Something like that is actually very useful information, that it knows that you've been trained in the past, that you've had a coach, that you've done a lot of running. Like any information about what you've done in the past, it tells it what you already know and what skills you have. So again, long form answers to these are just prompts, long form answers in column B. You're just trying to populate column B with as much information as possible as prompted by column A. That's it. Then what you do is when you're done with all that, you simply go to ChatGPT and you copy this prompt right here. We then go to ChatGPT. I'm using the free version. You simply paste the first prompt right here. It's just telling ChatGPT what it is you want to do. Now, you simply take all your long form answers. I'm just going to use these sample answers that I put in the middle here. Spaces don't matter. I'm just going to copy that and go back to ChatGPT. We're going to paste it and it goes to work, doing its magic. And what it will do is it will come up with a program. And from here, you can modify it. As soon as you read it, you'll know whether you like it, whether you want to tweak it. Maybe you see it and you go, maybe I want to do a little bit longer sessions. Maybe I want to swim twice a week, not once a week. It's coming up with day 1, yoga and stretch, day 2, swimming, day 3, yoga and strength, because in my prompts, I told it I could work out 3 times for 20 minutes. And so it's based on that. And also the limitations, it's addressing those, giving you a little bit of a prompt about diet and nutrition. And then it says, would you like to adjust or add anything specific to this plan? And of course, you can go and carry on and do the back and forth until it dials something in for you that you might have paid $10 a month for in an app. I don't know. And then you take this information, and if you have an app that you can enter it into that has your workouts, go ahead and do that. I just put mine on a simple notepad on my phone, which is also shared on my iPad. So I can either take my phone to the gym and just have it all written out, or if I'm working out at home, I just prop up my iPad and follow along with what my routine is. The other thing I have done, and you may want to experiment with, is you can spread it out over the weeks. So another good prompt would be, this looks really good. Please spread it out over 6 weeks, making it different every single week so that I have, some variety. And it will do a good job with that as well. You can also tweak it to have more strength training or less strength training, more cardio, etc. So this back and forth can help you come up with a really killer workout program, absolutely free, using a free Google form and the free version of ChatGPT. I hope you enjoy.